Yeah. Hi, students. I am Dr. Badrinath. Personal hygiene and health. That is today's video's topic. And personal hygiene means from top to bottom: hair, skin, mouth. Okay, daily taking a bath. Okay, etc. All personal hygiene, if you have maintained, then automatically you are good health. Not only good health, you can impress like this. Okay, here you can see. Since this person here, you can see the two members here. He is not taking a Minto Fresh, whereas he is taking a Minto Fresh. That's why he impressed. Oral hygiene, mouth fresheners, he is using. So otherwise, nobody can impress. If you want to impress, you have to take Minto Fresh. This is a social and preventive pharmacy. We are studying the subject for fourth year B pharmacy, eighth semester. The point is highlighted. And this is the first unit. All videos are available in my channel playlist. There you can go and watch it. This is a topic: hygiene, personal hygiene and healthcare, avoidable habits. That is it today. So, what is personal hygiene means? Five things are there. Keep in your mind. Five things are there. So that's why I mentioned here five. Number one is the first one is a dental care. Dental, first one. Whereas a hand washing, the best example we know already. Daily we are washing our hands. Even though I will tell don't wash, you will go and wash. I know that very well. Hand washing, regular bathing, daily one time at least minimum. That is minimum. Not like some other countries. They will take for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months once they will take bath, and they will spray. Not like that. Okay, regular bathing, hygienic cloths. Cloths what you are using, it must be hygienic. It should be properly washed and neat. Hygienic means not costly. It must be properly washed. It must be free from organisms like that. Not sterilization. Sterilization is different. Hygienic means the regular activities you have to do it clean and neat way. And nails, very dangerous, and we are neglecting it. Amoebiasis, it gives the amoebiasis. If you are taking a food without cutting the nails and all, amoebas will enter directly into the stomach, and you will get loose motions. It leads to various problems, right? Yeah, first one we will see the dental care. So all of you know, we know dental care means toothbrushing. Most all the students know 100%. I am sure that 100% of the students are aware the toothbrushing. Tongue cleaning, only 75% students they know about the tongue cleaning. Whereas a dental flossing, only 5% students they know about the dental flossing. Three important, one, two, three. Three are very important for oral hygienic, not only one. Not only one. So we will see these things, how it will help you. See, what is this flossing? Here you can see this is a new word to you, flossing. This is the just like a small device, just like a toothbrush. This is a small device, so that it having a plastic thread. You have to keep between the two teeth, and you have to clean it. Otherwise, what happen? Even though you are brushing, brush cannot clean the particles which are present between the teeth, because it is unable. The position is not allowing the brush to go between the two, because there is no gap is there. Very small gap is there. So brush cannot go into that small gap. Okay, between the teeth. Flossing, dental flossing is the only one. These things are also available. Flossing things are available in medical shop. If you ask, they will give you inflossa, inflossa, and the tongue cleaner. Okay, that is also very important. This is the first one is the dental care. Tooth cavity. Otherwise, if you are not doing no root canal treatment, it is a 5,000 rupees capping. Okay, if you give a capping, that is a 10,000 rupees. Okay, if you want to spend in such a manner, you can spend it. If you are maintaining the oral hygiene, no organism will go, no corona will go. Okay, you have to wear the mask properly, everything. So tooth cavity, gum problems, gum infections, stick. It is a combination of both, because food particles will go and stick on that particle only. The bacteria will start growing. Directly, bacteria will not grow in the on the teeth, only because of the food particles. So that's why if you clean your food particles, automatically you'll become all these things. There is a high chances of plecu formation. Plecu, just like this plecu later it converts to the tartar. This causes a swollen gums, okay, and infected gums. Okay, you have to follow the instructions for dental care and stop smoking. Smoking also it causes a oral unhygienic and eat a healthy diet. Avoid the sweets and drinks. Okay, brush after eating the food 3 times a day. You have to do actually. That is the thing, but it is not possible for our laziness. Okay, if not possible, at least a night before bedtime. That is very, very important, because throughout the night you can kill the organism. Otherwise, what happens? There is a chance for the development of the, actually instead of the morning, it is better to do at night. Otherwise, night 8 hours, 10 hours, there is a growth of the chances of the growth of the bacteria. If you clean at night time, it is better always. Okay. After brushing, keep it clean and in a dry place. Okay, all the small points you have to write examination, because the subject is this only, like this only. We cannot change the subject. Change the brush in every 3 to 4 months. Bristles will be destroyed. No. Okay, flossa is 1 day preferably before brushing. Flossa is before brushing. Tongue cleaning is after brushing. You have to do. Here you can see the thing. Tongue cleaner after brushing, whereas a dental flossing before brushing, because you can clean it properly. These are the mouth fresheners what I have shown in the ad. Okay, like a Minto Fresh. All these are the mouth freshener. Always it makes your thing so that you can attract the opposite ones, right? Polo. Okay, like that. And hand washing, we know very well. Daily we are washing at least a minimum 20 times, and sanitization we are applying. Biggest carrier of the germs, coronavirus or bacteria, whatever it may be. Wash with water, soap, liquid soap, sanitizer, whatever it may be, you can be use it. We are using our hands continuously as a part of our daily work. Without hands, we cannot do their work. Okay, so that's why bacteria will access easily, and our hands is like a bacterial vehicles. Our hands for the bacteria. Wash the hands compulsory. In following daily case examples, like before taking food and after taking food. Before taking food, generally we have to wash. That is compulsory. Before taking and after taking also, not like this. And you are stopping. We are not washing. Just clicking the thing. Okay. Before and after cooking the food. Cooking the food also, like taking bath. Okay, towel, etc. Okay, and you have to go to the kitchen room and you have to make it, okay, hygienic food. Before and after shaking the hands, before and after using the common public telephone, after using the toilet, that is very, very important. Otherwise, fecal oral diseases will come. Fecal oral infections will come. After sneezing, coughing, you have to wash. After handling the pet animals, otherwise it is also very biggest risk. After playing the games, coming from the outdoor, and after using the laptop or computer, this is a hand washing procedure. You have to write in the examination. First you have to wet your hands. Okay, first step. Second is to sneeze. Here to seize it everything, and only you have at one moment you will get a one pinch of one small pinch of your shampoo or liquid, and you have to rub like this. This is the direction. This is upon one parallelly. This is opposite. Okay, this is just like a boxing, like, and here it is like this. Okay, and like this is one position, fourth position, and this is the fifth position, opposite, fifth position. Okay, this is the third position. Okay, whereas here this is the seventh position. That no, everybody, even traffic police also nowadays, they are simply they are standing in front of the traffic and they are explaining this is the washing method, like that. Okay, and finally this is the eighth one. So like that you have to just like he wrote down. Yeah, next is bathing daily once. Highly important in personal hygienic. Take bath daily with soap and hot water. Take a head bath at least twice in a week. Daily it is not possible, but if possible, daily you can do it, no problem at all. And protect your scalp from dandruff, itching, small insects like lice. Okay. In case of any risk, infectious swellings, injuries, athlete's foot, carefully wash those areas which are infected. Okay. Use deodorant spray, body spray. Deodorant spray is different, body spray is different. Deodorant means name itself indicates deodor. Odor will be stopped, like fog. Okay. Like body spray, you have to get it. Body spray. And if you are wet in rain, you take hot water bath. That is preferable because of the to kill the infection. And hygienic cloths. See how these cloths are and how what is the difference is there. Dirt and bacteria can grow up on the cloths. That is a good source actually. It grows there. It is a very good place for them to hide. And the sweat adhere to the cloths are the good source for bacterial growth. Sweat changes cloths after bathing. Don't put dirty cloths on clean body. Clean under the garments. Change the sweaty cloths. Highly important and personal hygienic. Okay. Wash clothes regularly with antimicrobial agents. You have to add it. And nails. This is not the passion. This is actually passion, but don't do such a type of nonsense things. Okay. These are the various problems of the nail. Nail is the index of health. Actually, different nails, different characteristics on the nail indicates your health. Wash not only hand, toys also, toys, foot, fingers, toy. Wash and hands, nails daily. Source, good source for amoeba. Actually, if you are taking a food along with that, in the nail there will be an amoeba will be there. That you can't see the your amoeba. Amoebas are will enter directly into your that, and it causes in the stomach. It causes a loose motion. Keep nails trim and neat. Do not cut the nails below the level of skin. If you cut the level of skin, there may be a chances of exposure of living tissue. Actually, this is a dead tissue. This is a dead tissue. Upper skin is dead tissue here. Whereas the inner layers are the alive. So if you are exposing that, there is a chance of the growth of the bacteria there. Outer surface, bacteria generally will not grow. Smooth rough nail edges with the filer around your like that. Some points you have to write, and these are the avoidable habits. This is also our concept. You have to avoid number of bad habits like nail biting, okay, amoebiasis, licking the nose, like this, licking the nose, okay, eating on the same working desk. Here also I will work, and here also I will take the food. Same stage, no change. Again, after completion of my food, lunch, again I will keep the computer here and I will do. Don't do such a type of thing. Leaving the dirty dishes around the public locations. Dishes which are remaining, we will throw to the neighbor's house generally. Okay. And not flushing the toilet. This is a very bad habit. Now, after coming from that, either from the toilets, you have to flush it. Okay. Applying of too much perfume to cover up the body smell because they are not taking bath. Instead of the taking bath, daily they will spray like this, so that they will mask the real the thing. Okay. Smoking, drinking of alcohol, all these things you know very well. Not washing the fruits and vegetables without washing directly you are taking. All these are how she is biting nails. Yeah. So if you want to impress, maintain the oral hygienic and you take Minto Fresh.